Hello, good to see on the channel how to use it. We continue to learn about new functions that we can use in our Google tables. For example, if you need on your work collect some data from different sites, you don't want to go on each that sites, then you have to create some query, some XML import to your Google Sheets. For example, I find some site with movies and he have a list from top movies, and we have a table. I input function importxml is opening bracket. Then we see the structure of this function. First of all, we have need paste link to this page in internet, but link have to be in quote marks. After that we open another quote marks and close brackets. In that quote marks we have to write the query XML. It can be some class and slash and some elements on our HTML. I write it like an example. So let's delete it, structure, and find information on our page. I am calling inspector of our page with using right button on our mouse, for example. We can select this element, and every element that on our page we can find in our program code. For example, we need this element. Its element A, it's a link to our movie, and his relative is cell of our table with class title column. Copy this name, come back to our table and write we have td, it's element of our table, then class with name of class, and after td we have a, it's element link, enter, and we receive information from this page. And if you have to receive information from another site, you have to learn about HTML structure. Sometimes it's more difficult than that example, but basically in general it's a good thing to collect, to grab information from different sites without visiting them. Thank you for watching. Press thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know more about Google Tables, Google Sheets, then go to the next video.